Hello Leeb reviewers, this is Scott Chan with the video for November 10th, 2009. The market ended essentially flat today, halting the momentum that we had in the last few days as several companies, NBIA, Floor, and Electronic Arts reported disappointing results for the quarter. Almost all S&P 500 companies have already reported, and more than 80% of them have beaten earnings estimates. However, to put things in perspective, according to Bloomberg data, in the quarter, average earnings per share declined about 15% on a yearly basis and have declined for 9 straight quarters. Major retailers like Walmart, Macy's, and JCPenney will be reporting later this week, so we eagerly await their numbers. Over the weekend, finance ministers from the 20 richest nations in the world met for the G20 summit in Scotland. The group announced that the $1 trillion stimulus package aimed at supporting the member nations' economies will continue until recovery is assured, citing concerns that premature stoppage of support could short-circuit a fragile recovery. The decision comes just days after our own Federal Reserve decided to not hike interest rates. While there have been some encouraging signs for the worldwide economy, most of the growth have come from emerging markets. For the developed markets, most economic data supports the G20 and the Fed's decisions to not withdraw support yet. In the U.S., for the U.S., besides the job situation, which I talked about last Friday, the latest data show that consumer borrowing continues to decline due to the combination of lenders having tight credit requirements and consumers saving more and basically borrowing less in the face of flat income and a terrible job market. In September, consumer credit fell a far larger than expected $14.8 billion, or 7.2%. At an annual rate, marking the 8th straight month of decline. Both the gloomy job situation and the data on the consumer credit points to weak consumer spending ahead and a likely rough road for the economy. Which is why we think that government support is still very much needed. Thank you for watching, and have a nice night.